Oh, hi there. So, today we will have another unboxing of cell phone. I have this Samsung Galaxy A20s. So, we will do some unboxing. So, it is from Globe. And then it has some it says here some plan inclusions, not exclusions. And I don't know how to open this. Hold on. There you go. Then you have to do it like this. Okay. So this is going to be the baby brother of my phone, my A80 phone. And then we will have to slide it in. So let's slide it. Ta-da! And it says Samsung, not Samsung. Okay. So we will get this little box. Ooh. Ooh, it's color black. So we will get the other stuff later on. So we'll have to peel this. Wait lang. Ching! Oh my god, it's so shiny. And it's by Samsung. Okay. I used to have Samsung as my program in the past. So, and we also have the USB cable and the power plug and this, whatever you call that, SIM card ejector. Wow. Okay. So now I have a new phone, another phone. Thank you so much. And hope to see you guys in my next unboxing. This is Mamshie, signing off. And of course, like and subscribe. Click down below and hit that notification bell. See ya.